Hey, this is your favorite tech with another tutorial. Be sure to check us out on our website or text us if you need tech support. Hey, in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you very quickly how to fix the msvcp140.dll missing error that can happen on Windows 10, Windows 8, or Windows 7. First thing we're going to do is go to the Start menu and type in Folder Options. So we're looking at File Explorer Options. I'm going to go ahead and click that. And all we're doing here is we want to make sure we can see our hidden files. So you're going to go to View, and you're going to go to where it says Show Hidden Files. You're going to press Apply and then OK. Next thing we're going to do is we're going to open up a web browser and we're going to go to google.com. So boom, we're at google.com now. All right, when you get to Google, you're going to type in msvcp140.dll and then right next to it, download. Press enter. The best results should be this www.deal/files.com, and you're going to click this first result. It's going to take you to this site. All right, so when you get to the site, you're going to scroll down and you're going to start seeing all the different versions you can download. If you're using a 64-bit computer, you're going to look for 64. If you're using an older Windows 7 32-bit computer, you would download that. I'm on 64 using Windows 10, so obviously I'm going to be looking for the newest version, which is probably toward the top right here. So that's 64 bits. So we can go ahead and click that. This is like a little ad. You can press close on that, and basically it's going to take you to a secondary page. You know, they're trying to make money off of you. Boom, and start downloading. Here it's going to be a zip file. Obviously what we're going to do now is extract it, right? So what I want you to do is first put it in some type of folder where you know where it's at before we actually move forward with putting it where it needs to ultimately go. So we're just going to put test as the folder for you can know that you're going to be operating that file. Open up that. We're going to take the extraction program. You should have WinZip or something like that and slide the program into there. All right, so the next thing we're going to do is we're going to replace this file inside of the Windows directory. So first thing I need you to do is actually go to My PC. That's for Windows 10, or you can just go to My Computer on Windows 7 or earlier, right? And then we're going to go to the C drive, which is where our Windows is stored. We're going to Windows. So next thing we're going to do is overwrite that file because we want to make sure that that file is not missing or corrupted or anything like that. So when you get inside of your Windows folder, we're looking for System 32, right? So you can scroll to the bottom, there goes 632. And what you're going to do is take this .deal file and you're going to slide it into System 32 like this. And it's going to ask you to overwrite it. So you're going to click Replace. And once you do that, it's going to overwrite it your file that you want to put in. Now, if you're running a 32-bit operating system, you want to look for the file system called syswow64 right here, and you would drop that 32-bit file into this one. After you've done all that, I recommend you restarting your computer and trying to use whatever you were doing previously that gave you that error and see if it's gone. I hope this helps. Hey, if you found this video valuable, go ahead and return the favor by liking and subscribing to this channel. If you subscribe, type the phrase "I subscribed" in the comment section below. Keep in mind, when you subscribe, it motivates us to continue to make these free videos. Lastly, if you enjoy learning about technology, entrepreneurship, or making money online, go ahead and check out my other videos on my other channel. Thanks for your support.